This segment is sponsored in part by Grace Gold.
So we know this to be true. Giving the gift of glam is a fun way to spoil the ones that you love.
Joining us is beauty and style expert Grace Gold with ideas perfect for the holiday season. It is fantastic to see you again.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. A little sparkly for you today.
I love when she comes. It's always a full, thought-out production.
It's a walking sparkle. Before we get started, scan the QR code to shop all of Grace's gift ideas. First, we're starting with skincare.
Our favorite.
We were talking about this all morning.
I know, we really were.
Luxury at a good price.
Okay.
Hello, sign us up, right?
Yes.
This is ELEMIS, their limited edition holiday kit, so you can spread some skincare love this season. They are all under $100, but worth so much more. This really is the leading British skin wellness brand. They use the power of natural ingredients to deliver clinically proven results. Okay. And on the table there, I have the Pro Collagen Cleansing Trio. This is their award winner.
Ooh.
There's one of those sold every 10 seconds. What? The Prep, Prime, and Glow gift. And we've also got the first class grooming edit, TSA friendly picks for the guys. Cannot forget the guys.
Yeah, no.
us.elemis.com.
Oh,
I'm speechless.
I know. I have been coveting this bad boy. I'm going to have to come back to the segment for all the details.
That's right.
What kind of glam gift are we getting for our friend, perhaps, who
Loves the shoes.
Loves a shoe?
Likes a shoe.
Yeah. So this is the shoe of the season.
Right,
yes, me too. Me too. This is the Naked Heels by the Shoe Fairy. Okay, first of all, we got code PIX11 for 10% off shoefairyofficial.com. Yes, this goes with all your glam outfits, whatever colors you're wearing this holiday season. What's special about it? Soft, buttery insole.
I was going to say those look so comfortable.
Yes. So much cushion. It feels like pillows for your feet.
Thank you. We need that.
Now, it comes in 4 skin tone shades, so you can find your perfect nude shade. Soft, flexible plastic, molds to your feet. I gotta tell you, it feels like putting on slippers.
Oh my God.
So comfortable.
Here, here.
Do not sleep on that code, PIX11, 10% off shoefairyofficial.com.
Thank
Well,
you,
from our
Shoe Fairy.
toes to our eyeballs, perhaps. What do we have? Nails and lashes?
We gotta talk about the nails and lashes.
Yes,
Hello,
always,
little glam.
always.
This is so fun for holiday. It's Kiss and Impress limited edition holiday nail and lash collection. Okay, I'm wearing the lashes today. Hello.
Oh, they're stunning.
Yes, glam, glam, really beautiful. They are the luxe extensions in the nails. Look at the cute designs we've got
so
there.
festive.
These are festive glam designs, perfect for holiday events. They're a great stocking stuffer. Those are press-on nails, so no glue needed. Chip and smudge proof. These lashes are reusable, comfortable wear, hassle-free removal. I just love this. It's just so
many options.
fun. They start at $8 at drugstores. Very affordable.
I mean, come on. Now,
very cute.
It feels like a natural transition. We all want silky hair.
Yes.
Especially during the holiday season photos. We want to look our best. What's a good glam gift on that front?
Well, let me tell you, we all need a hairbrush, right?
Yeah.
Like, we're using really old ones.
Yes.
So this is a fantastic one. This is the Not Dr. for Con Air. So this is a wet, dry detangling brush that helps remove stubborn tangles, matted knots. It is for all hair types. So check that out. Straight, wavy, curly, flat. Now what's special, it's got that durable storage case to keep your brush clean. So the bristles won't get damaged.
Oh my gosh.
No more bent, crushed bristles. Yes, this makes a real big difference. This is blow dryer friendly, 4 colors to choose from. $11 at Amazon. You can't beat it.
I have heard of this magical brush.
That's why our brushes are so gross. We don't have the sweet little case.
That's right. What about the gift of glow?
Yes, well, Serum, a very popular gift because, you know, anybody can use it with whatever skincare they're using for a nice glow. This is Mother Science Molecular Hero Serum. This is really trending right now. They are the first to use something called malisazen, which is a naturally occurring molecule. It dramatically reduces the look of dark spots. It evens tone, as you can see in the photo. It gives you that brighter, glowier, more youthful looking skin everybody wants during the holiday season. This is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. And for the holidays, ladies, they are doing 2 bottles for $44 off for a limited time. Great excuse to play my favorite game, buy one from me, buy one for you.
One for me, exactly.
Motherscience.com.
I love this. I love that I subscribe to that method as well. And lastly, you have something that's going to help us glam up our watches, which I'm hiding mine because my friends get so mad when I just wear my plain old black watch strap on television every day.
Totally. So this is WITHit Band Candy. They're going to bling up your Apple watches, all those wrist accessories. They got band candy sliders. Now these are sparkly crystals. They go right on the strap. Super chic. They are like like diamonds are a girl's best
Yes.
friend vibe, but very affordable. They've also got the band candy charms. Now those pop right onto the Apple Watch band for a little bling. They come in sets of 4 with super playful, sparkly designs. These are perfect stocking stuffers for a little bling. The sets start at $15. WITHitgear.com. You can never go wrong with a little wrist bling.
No.
Why didn't
Absolutely
I think
not.
of this?
I know. Right?
That is fantastic.
Grace Gold, thank you so much for all of these wonderful gift ideas for ourselves and our loved ones, perhaps.
And if you've missed any of these glam ideas, scan that QR code on our screen or head to pix11.com and click on the partners page. So much stuff, so little time. We'll be right back.